Hello everyone and welcome to another DIY workshop tutorial. In this video we will show you how you can replace the front brake pads and rotors on a 2015 Nissan Qashqai. If you like our tutorials, you can reward our effort with a simple tap or click on the subscribe or like button. Also, don't forget to share your opinion about this tutorial in a comment. Okay guys, let's get cracking. First you'll have to remove the wheel, so loosen up the lug nuts, suspend the car and then remove the lug nuts. Take out the wheel and place it under the car for safety. It's recommended that you also use a jack stand if you have one. Turn the steering wheel to the left for better access to the caliper's bolts. For the guide pin bolts, you only need a 14mm socket. Pull the caliper firmly towards you so that the piston retracts just enough for the caliper to slide off the brake pads. Suspend the brake caliper and don't let it hanging by the brake line. Remove the old brake pads. For the bolts holding the caliper bracket, you'll need a 19mm socket. Now you can take out the caliper's bracket. To take out the rotor, you will have to remove the small T30 bolt. As you can see, the rotor was very worn out and really needed to be replaced. Use a metal wire brush and a file to clean the rust as best as you can. Apply some brake cleaner and remove the rust dust with a paper towel. Then use some copper grease for a better protection against rust. Let's check the new rotors. Looks like they have the same diameter, so we can start the installation part. You also have to do a thorough cleaning of the caliper's bracket. The new brake pads didn't have these metal clips, so we had to clean and reuse them. Apply some ceramic grease to the rails of the caliper's bracket. Clean the metal clips as best as you can and attach them back to the bracket. Do the same thing for the other side. Now is a good time to check if the guide pins have enough grease. Place the caliper's bracket in position and thread the bolts back in. Tighten the bolts holding the bracket up to a torque of about 122 Nm. Time to insert the new brake pads. The brake pads wear indicator goes here. When the wear reaches this metal clip, you should start hearing a rattling noise. So here goes the inner brake pad, and here goes the outer one. Because the brake pads are new, you will have to retract the caliper's piston using a piston press. Take out the air behind this dust boot, or you may pinch it when attaching the caliper. Slide the caliper over the brake pads and thread the guide pin bolts back in. Tighten the guide pin bolts up to a torque of 27 Nm. Now you can place the wheel back on. Thread the lug nuts, lower the car and tighten the lug nuts up to a torque of 140 Nm. And that was it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for free, like or leave a comment. Until next time, we wish you all the best, and remember, the DIY workshop saves money. Bye bye!